Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sirajul Faizi. Today in this video, I am going to talk about isolations of mono and SESQUITERPENOIDS. So I welcome you in my YouTube channel, and I have one suggestion for you. I have uploaded 2 videos on terpenoid chemistry. So please go through my previous video and then you start from here. It will be more beneficial for you. So what is the meaning of isolations? And from where you will get terpenoids compound? My friends, here I am talking about isolations of mono and SESQUITERPENOIDs. So both mono and SESQUITERPENOIDs have common source, essential ions. Now you know the essential ions. And their isolations is carried out in 2 steps. In step 1, isolation of essential ions from plant parts. And the second, separation of terpenoids from essential ions. So, isolation of essential ions from plant parts. How you isolate it? You know, the plants having essential ions generally have the higher concentration at some particular time. Therefore, better yield of essential oil plant materials have to be collected at a particular time. You know, from jasmine at sunset, there are 4 methods of extraction of oils. Expression method, steam distillation method, extraction by means of volatile solvent, and last, adsorptions in purified fats. And some special method is also reported in the literature. So, what is the meaning of steam distillations? You have learned about steam distillation in 10+2. Just remember NCERT book. So steam distillation is most widely used method. In this method, macerated plants materials is steam distilled to get essential oils into the distillate form. These are extracted by using pure organic volatile solvents. If compound decomposes during steam distillations, it may be extracted with petrol at 50 degrees Celsius. After extraction, solvent is removed under reduced pressure. My friend, the separations of terpenoid from essential oil. How you can separate it from essential oil? A number of terpenoids are present in essential oil obtained from the extractions. Definite physical and chemical methods can be used for the separations of terpenoids. They are separated by fractional distillations. The terpenoids hydrocarbons distilled over first, followed by the oxygenated derivatives. More recently, different chromatographic techniques have been used both for isolation and separation of terpenoids. So overall target is separations of terpenoid from essential ions. This is the technical procedure. Now friends, I will talk about general properties of terpenoids. The first general property is most of terpenoids are colorless. The second property is fragrant liquids which are lighter than water and volatile with steam. Few of them are solid like camphor. All are soluble in organic solvent and usually insoluble in water. My friend, most of them are optically active. Open chain or cyclic unsaturated compounds having one or more double bonds. Consequently, they undergo addition reaction with hydrogen, addition reactions with hydrogens, halogens, acids, and many more. A number of additions products have antiseptic properties. My friend, they undergo polymerizations and dehydrogenations. The next important property is they are easily oxidized nearly by all the oxidizing agents. On thermal decomposition, most of terpenoids yields isoprene as one of the product. So, general methods of structure elucidations, and this is also very important in semester 4 MSc chemistry organic specializations. So first, molecular formula. Molecular formula is determined by usual quantitative analysis and molecular weight determinations method and by means of mass spectrometry. If terpenoid is optically active, its specific rotation can be measured. This is the first part of structure elucidations. The second important part of structure elucidations of terpenoids, nature of oxygen atom presence. If oxygen is present in your terpenoids, focus on the nature of oxygen atom presence. If oxygen is present in terpenoids, its functional nature is generally as alcohols, aldehyde, ketones, or carboxylic acid. So, presence of oxygen atom. How you will confirm the presence of oxygen? This is the general. I am not talking about the specific. You have some compound, you have to do a structure elucidation of a specific compound like camphor, citral, and other. So, generally, presence of OH groups can be determined by formation of acetate with acetic anhydride and benzoylate with 3,5-dinitro-benzoyl chlorides. So primary alcoholic group undergo esterification more readily than secondary and tertiary alcohol. You know that. So you can see the reactions ROH, it gives the ester, and if you have the 3,5-dinitro-benzoyl chloride, this compound 3,5-dinitro-benzoyl chloride react with alcohol forming these products, alcoholic. So, presence of oxygen atom, if you have the CO group, terpenoid containing carbonyl functional groups or functions form crystalline additions product like oxime, phenyl, hydrazones, and bisulfides. So my friends, I will discuss from here in our next video. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.